The 20-year-old Cagayan De Oro Coastal Road project was finally finished last year. The 17.97-kilometer project covered Barangay Gusa in the eastern side all the way to the western side in Barangay Igpit, Opol, Misamis Oriental. With the completion, the Department of Public Works and Highways is proposing in its 2021 budget the inclusion of Cagayan De Oro Coastal Road Phase 2 project that will extend the road from Barangay Puerto in Opol, Misamis Oriental to Barangay Gusa, Cagayan De Oro City. The extension project aims to further ease mobility in the city, thus extending an additional 9.3 km of road which will be under Phase 2 of the project starting this year. The project would include sidewalks, bike lanes, trees, and other public space components to further improve aesthetic of the road. The road project will further reduce travel time to and from Barangay Puerto and Barangay Igpit from the usual 1 hour and 30 minutes via Butuan City, Cagayan De Oro City, Iligan City Road to only 25 minutes via CDO Coastal Road Extension. If funding requirement will be released as scheduled, the project will be completed in year 2024. DPWH last year worked on the remaining civil works of the Cagayan De Oro Coastal Road Phase 1 project at Barangay Puerto section, which included the construction of a rotunda that would connect Cagayan De Oro's third bridge to the remaining section of the project in the vicinity of the Philippine Ports Authority. Despite the project's status, its Gusa-Igpit section was open to the traffic in November 2017, traversing the local roads in Agora section to serve its purpose in catering passenger buses, cargo trucks, and other heavy-loaded equipment, thus helping reduce traffic congestion in the city proper. For more construction updates in the Philippines, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell of Booming Philippines. Have a great day, everyone!
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in a business. Not because they want to do it, just because they heard it pays, and who the fuck